Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into exploring Optimism on Layer 3, traverse the Optimism ecosystem, learn more about the superchain thesis, and unlock signature Optimism protocols. So we have 4 quests today, and we have an overview of Optimism, learn about Zora, Velodrome on Optimism, and stable yields on Optimism with Stargate. So before we get started, thank you for joining me. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology and help spread the word of this channel and all the fun stuff that we have going on in the blockchain space. So with that, let's get into it. Begin the first quest by exploring an overview of Optimism. Learn about Optimism's collective vision and bridge to OP stack chains. So Optimism aims to build a network of interconnected superchains, with each chain building on the OP stack codebase. Ooh, move this. Need to get some padding under my feet. So OP mainnet is the pioneering superchain and has been followed by Base and Zora. Optimism aims to solve Ethereum's scalability and bring the next billion people on chain. So bridge to an Optimism chain, bridge to either OP mainnet or Base using the Layer 3 bridge. Now we have done that in the past. So you'll go to the Layer 3 bridge, connect your wallet, and bridge over however much you want. It doesn't say what token to bridge. What was that at the bottom? Bridge transactions from ZK Sync arrow would not count. Okay, so you can't do it from ZK Sync, but other chains you can. So make sure you're not doing ZK Sync, but Polygon, Base, Arbitrum, Avalanche. So bridge that over. You know, you'll put your 5 USDC or whatever. Go ahead and do that. And then make a transaction on OP mainnet or Base. And since we've made thousands of transactions. So explore our collection, learn more about leading OP mainnet protocols. And you can explore that here with a whole host of Optimism quests. Look at that. We got a lot of fun stuff. Oh yeah. So that one we do not qualify for. But all these other ones, look at that. We got a lot going on. So Optimism, introduction, let's go. Next up, Zora. Zora is the decentralized protocol where anyone can permissionlessly buy, sell, and create. Zora has also launched a Layer 2 designed to put media on chain in a scalable and user-friendly way. You can create a mint page on Zora with easily deployable NFT smart contracts. So bridge to Zora network using the Zora bridge. Zora's got a lot of cool art on here. Now, unfortunately, you will have to bridge from Ethereum. So this may, if you don't want to, you can skip it. But I've bridged into Zora before and also mint on Zora. Verify if you've minted the Zora Energy NFT or any NFT on here. So on Zora, we'll connect our wallet. We've minted quite a few NFTs on here. Some pretty cool ones. They have pretty dope art a lot of times. So let's go to the home page. You can check all these people, digital media, little graphics, cool stuff, photography, all being put on chain as part of this like media digital art collective movement. And that's what we want. We want to see all that coming on chain, finding easier ways, cheaper ways to get it on chain, because It's a lot cheaper to mint on Zora than it is to mint on Ethereum. So next, Velodrome on Optimism. Velodrome Finance is a next-generation automated market maker, or AMM, that combines the best features of Curve, Convex, and Uniswap. Swap tokens with minimal slippage, receive Velo emissions as rewards, and vote on future protocol decisions. So bridge to Optimism, you need to have at least 0.005 ETH. And we do. Swap on Velodrome, swap at least $5 worth of any asset. So we'll connect your wallet. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get me some sunshine soon before it goes down. Getting early. Okay. So we will continue and sign this, and then we logged in. So swap for any at least $5 worth. Actually, how much do we have on here? So let's swap $5 of ETH or can we get it? Can we get it? Wow, Velodrome. You taking too long, boy. Taking too long. Okay, we're gonna refresh this because Velodrome's being moody today. Velodrome being moody today. Let's see if we can get one working. I guess we'll have to do this. So we'll allow our USDC to be spent. Now we can swap for ETH. Now let's go. So we swapped USDC for Ethereum. Now we can verify this and be done with the quest. Bada boom. Now, next up. Now, let's disconnect from Velodrome. And is this the last one? Yep, the last one. Stable yields on Optimism. With Stargate, make sure you have at least the required USDC for the next step. And you want to swap to some USDC if you don't have it. So add liquidity to the Stargate pool. And we did this in a previous video, so just come here to Stargate. And yeah, this token pool needs to... Okay, just if that's not working, go back to this pool. Click on all chains, go to Optimism, and click on USDC. Now you can add it here, put in a few dollars, I guess. Interesting. So I already have USDC in here. And it says that I guess it's whatever this pool is for the campaign. So just I don't know if it's messed up or if they put in the wrong pool, but we'll see. We'll go ahead and just put in a small amount. That way it's not gonna fuck us if we have too much. Now let's check and see if we verify. Yes. And you can come and, okay, I guess. Interesting. I'd like to go back to this and see, because that's not, yeah, there's 10 pooled tokens, but you can't remove it. So I'm not sure what the other, did it even add it? Yeah. I don't know. It's a little weird. So just put in like $1 or so, because I don't want anyone getting screwed by that. So in case there's any tomfoolery going on, I don't know why they have a broken token pool link, but hopefully we can get that resolved. But just put $1 in, and it won't be much if you miss it. So yeah, hope you had fun exploring Optimism. They do have more rewards in the future for participating in their ecosystem and, yeah, just being involved. Oh, there's a doggy. Wow. Their sirens are going off. And with that, that is my cue. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll be happy to help. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day. Peace. Ow.